In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade on MotiveWave. Now to do this, you want to first go to the Configure tab up top and you want to click on Settings. In here, you want to go to General, and as you can see, you have Simulated Account over here. So click on Simulated Account, and then from here, make sure it is enabled. So enable it, and then from here, you can double click on the default paper trading or simulated account, and when you double click, you can change the name, the base currency, as well as your current cash balance. You can also reset it over here if you wanted to, and then hit OK, apply, and then OK again. So that way you've actually, of course, selected and created, or of course, enabled the paper trade account. And then whenever you are trading, you can just make sure that you select simulated over here, which is going to make sure you are paper trading with your paper money. Now, if you want to add a new one, you can go to the File tab, top left. You can hover over New and then click on Simulated Account. You can give it a name, base currency, and cash. Click on OK, and there we go. As you can see, it's going to add a new account over here. Now, if you have multiple accounts and if you want to, of course, always trade with this one, so the demo one, you simply have to right-click and set it as a default account. So it's not going to switch in between them whenever you're trying to trade, and you can then just basically forget to actually kind of change it over here. And yeah, that's essentially it. It's always going to be selected by default. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.